So we're going to look at how to create a domino effect in Blender. So let's get started. New file, delete the light, create the domino. So this is 0.2 and this is 1, this is 2. Alright, so that's our domino. Because we change the scale, we go to Object, Apply, Scale. 1 to go to the front view, move it on top of the ground. So this is 2. Okay. Now we need soft edges. So we add bevel. 0.1 is okay, I guess. For subdivisions, object, shade smooth. So that looks good. Now we will apply the bevel and we will add array modifier. We need this to be 0 and this to be 1. So we created 2 dominoes, we need 100. We need to increase the gap between the dominoes. So now straight line is boring, so I'll go to add curve. Let's create a circle. You have to go into the edit mode and then scale the circle big. You get desired results if you do this, otherwise you get undesirable results. So do it in edit mode. Select your array, apply the array, then add a curve modifier and select the curve. Change the axis to Y and the rotation to 90 degrees. Okay, so they're straight now. Now we can adjust the curve size. .85. Okay. Object apply scale. Alright, so let us apply this modifier also. And we don't need the circle anymore. Now hit the 1 key. We need to be above the ground. And we need a ground. So before we go to ground, hit the tab key, hit the 3 key, and go to by loose parts. So everyone becomes separate object. However, the center of gravity is not in the right place. So you go to object, set origin to geometry, select everything, shift R. So all these have its geometry at the middle. Now we'll add dynamics. So go to physics, rigid body, active. Select all, go to ob, except the camera. Let us select all, object, rigid body, why not? Object, add active. Got 2 here. Okay. So you have to make sure that all the objects have rigid body. I'll go to add mesh plane, scale it, object, apply, scale, rigid body, passive, nothing happens. Okay, now we will make one domino. Let us select this one so we can easily rotate it. And it will fall on this other domino. And the dominoes will start falling. Okay, so now the cache is set to 250, so we need to change that, because even if you add more frames, and then we need to speed up our animation. So we go to scene settings, go to simulation, range, make it 500, and go to rigid body world, speed, make it 2, cache, increase it to 500, rewind, hit play, and the dominoes are falling. Make all dynamics. That's about it. Thank you very much.